Hi, I'm Karthik, and I'll be presenting benchmarking low-shot robustness to natural distribution shifts, joint work with Aditya, Prithvi, and Judy at Georgia Tech. Early computer vision techniques primarily evaluated on ImageNet, prompting concerns about generalization. This resulted in diverse evaluation datasets to gauge out-of-distribution robustness. Recent methods like self-supervised training and novel architectures have significantly enhanced model robustness. The typical pipeline for methods that are robust in the full shot regime is to first pre-train a backbone on a large amount of data, whether it be supervised or not. Next, the backbone is fine-tuned on a large amount of labeled in-distribution data. Then, a method for improving the robustness of a model can be applied, also known as a robustness intervention. Finally, the resulting model is evaluated on out-of-distribution data. In our work, we examine whether robustness interventions remain effective with less labeled in-distribution data, which is vital in areas like rare species identification or medical scan classification. To measure the robustness of a model, we adopt the effective and relative robustness framework from previous works. To measure effective robustness, we first fit a line over the in and out of distribution accuracies of a set of standard models. Let's apply a robustness intervention to the standard model at the intersection of the two turquoise lines. This robust model is noted by the green star. The difference between the out-of-distribution accuracy of our robust model and the point on the fit line that has the same in-distribution accuracy as our robust model is called the effective robustness of the model. The absolute difference of the out-of-distribution accuracy between our robust model and our standard model is the model's relative robustness. We consider interventions to be robust if they have both a positive, effective, and relative robustness. We studied 3 domain shifts using 3 datasets: ImageNet, iWildCam, and Chameleon. On ImageNet, we assess our models on 5 out-of-distribution datasets, averaging their accuracies. We use the Wilds benchmark domain shifts for iWildCam and Chameleon. The latter 2 domain shifts underscore the importance of low-shot robustness. Environmentalists may need models to generalize identification of rare species from a single sensor to a variety of camera sensors and environments, and doctors may need models that generalize across multiple hospitals and scanners given minimal annotated scans from a single hospital. We run experiments across 3 different low-shot regimes for each in-distribution dataset to measure the effect of low in-distribution fine-tuning data on robustness interventions. We examined the ResNet and VIT architectures with different pre-trained initializations. We then fine-tuned the backbones using either logistic regression, mean-centroid classifier, or baseline ++ heads. Finally, we evaluate the effectiveness of 5 different robustness interventions. In our experiments with ImageNet 1K pre-trained models, we find that self-supervised VITs are more robust than CNNs and the supervised counterparts, as shown by the blue points on the left. However, there isn't one single model that performs best across datasets, as seen by the bolded entries in the table on the left. Looking at pre-trained data scale and strategy, we see that CLIP provides superior robustness on ImageNet in the low-shot regimes. However, that doesn't hold with other datasets, where Dino's robustness is superior on both iWildCam and Chameleon. Now, we evaluate the effectiveness of robustness interventions in different data regimes. Interventions above the dotted lines are effectively robust, and interventions in the blue region are relatively robust. On ImageNet, interventions largely improve robustness across the board. Models using CLIP initialization specifically improve robustness in the full shot regime as well. On iWildCam and Chameleon, however, interventions often fail to improve robustness across data regimes. The exception is WiseFT with CLIP, which improves robustness in all regimes. Overall, most interventions using MSN pre-trained VITs significantly improve robustness on ImageNet, but not on other datasets, as shown by the blue highlighted numbers. A similar trend holds with Dino pre-trained VITs. In conclusion, self-supervised pre-training on VITs tends to lead to better robustness. Without additional interventions, large-scale vision-language pre-training can be underwhelming compared to ImageNet pre-trained models. And robustness in the full shot regime may not imply robustness in low shot regimes. Be sure to check out our poster on Friday at 10:30 to 12:30 if you're interested in learning more. Thank you.